Yo guys, I'm back again. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Abs. I got a project EP3, and in today's episode we're installing new pads and disc on the Type R because they're fucked at the moment, proper fucked. But yeah, let me show you which ones I got. So yeah, the ones I got are from MTEC. Opened this beforehand, but yeah, got some bubble wrap. Got the mintex pads. Also comes with grease, which is handy, especially in the tube. And we got a disc, so I'm not sure you can see right now, but I've got drilled and slotted disc, just like that. Front bumper wheels are off. So yeah, I'm going to show you the condition of the brakes right now. Fat lip. Barely any pads, not sure if you can see, but yeah man, these discs have been through it. So yeah, it's about time I need to change. Like as I'm braking, it's literally squealing and like vibrating, so I need to change, especially now I'm driving more. So yeah, let's take off the calipers and I'll show you the brake pads. Front pads off, as you can see here. So let's look at the front pads. They're skinnier than me, man. Then let's look at the new ones. Obviously I've got fresh gloves on, nice and thick boy. Let's compare them to the other one. Bloody hell, really risking my I'm really risking my life for this car. But yeah, mintex pads, hopefully they should be good. So yeah, now we're just going to try to take off the disc. I know this is a bitch, but we've got good old whacker. Hopefully she'll whack it off. Thing is, yeah, I'm on a time crunch because I have to work in a bit, so I have to be quick and record at the same time. Long, but yeah, caliper off, just hang it somewhere from the strut, should be okay as long as there's not too much pressure on the line. So yeah, let me take off this caliper bracket, then hopefully this bolt comes off. It don't look too bad. Sometimes these could be a bitch and stop your whole day if not to get a drill. Hopefully that won't be the case, but yeah. Yo guys, change of plans. EP3, nothing wants to work. So got on this side pad, all calm whatever. This didn't want to come off. Started drilling through, ran out of time, couldn't change the disc, so had to drive to work, which is calm, at less than half a mile away and back. That's all. This side though, caliper was seized. Didn't retract back. Checked inside the little boot, it was fucked, so I had to go pick up some new calipers. Had them painted this morning. I'll show you a picture of what they looked like before and after. So yeah, I'm gonna have to change the actual caliper now, both sides, since they're different calipers. They're FM2/prem editions, so I'm gonna have to do that now. Then after I do the pads, I'm gonna see if I have enough time to do this today, because yeah, boy works 7 days a week, so I haven't even got time for that. So yeah, stress man, but life with a fucking JDM car. So let's get this off, clamp up the hose, yeah, and get it swapped out. guys, there we go. Got the new caliper fitted on. Didn't lose that much fluid. It is hopefully not, but yeah, can you see inside of the cylinder here? If I peel it back, just crawled and done for. I could have rebuilt them, but I do need my car, I use it every day. And this was a decent enough build. It was serviced I think a year ago, so the new rubber seals and everything are calm. So yeah, now time to get the bracket on. But seeing as it's 2:30, what I might try to do is drill these out since I've got a little bit of time. Yeah, seeing as I've got a few hours, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to drill this out. And hopefully I should be able to finish the disc as well in time. But yeah, such a messy video, but it is what it is. Alright, let me just show you the new caliper as well. Like I said, looks good. Red with the silver. It's not a complete refurb, I just touched it over.
2,000 years later.
Finally, as we go off. Look how deep those screws are going, man. No wonder they won't coming off, man. I'm going to smooth it out, then put a new disc on. When I get a new disc, I'll show you and compare it. Yeah, guys, all cleaned up. Let me show you the difference here. So this is the OEM one. Obviously, a fucking fat lip. Peak out here. Then this is the new fresh one, drilled, slotted. Much heavier as well. So yeah. So guys, this got on. As you can see, I ain't got the retaining screws in, obviously because of the seizing reason, having to drill it out long. But yeah, it looks good. Obviously make sure when you do have a slotted disc, remember, follow the line of where the slot goes. If it points backwards of the car, that means in the right direction. So yeah, now to bolt everything back on, clean up the bolts, just put them on, and that's the bit's done. Same thing on the other side, but you don't have to see that. So let me do that. Yo people, so this is like, say, a couple weeks later since I've done the brakes. So yeah, interior is empty. You'll see this in a future video. But yeah, I thought let me give you a little review on how the brakes are, considering they are like what, 80 to 100 pounds for the front disc and pads. Quite affordable, quite cheap compared to Euro car parts, which is like the Brembo, like normal disc and pads, which are kind of shit, I'll be honest with you. Also, I was in my boy's Ep3 and he had the DC5 Brembo brakes on, and to be honest with you, the brake power, there was a difference, but not that much, considering those are like 400, 500, 600 pound setups. Especially if they're new, you're looking at probably 8 builds, whereas mine was just like 80 pounds. So yeah, let me show you what they look like now. I'm not sure if you can see, but these are what the pads and this look like, fully complete. I think they look quite good to you. Bear in mind, it does give it a aesthetic upgrade when you got like drilled and slotted disc. But yeah, especially with that prem caliper. But yeah, I'd say all in all, good upgrade. For the money, I'd say to spend a bit extra and get the complete package, if I say, what is the one with the 4 disc and 4 pads for your whole car. I think it's like another £40 extra. Worth it. I should have done that because my rears are starting to squeak, so I need to change them out. Future video. I'd say bang in, get it, worth it. Another option was the Ferrados, whatever it is. I'll put a picture here what they are. A lot of people say they're good as well, but with them, it's mainly the pads compared to the Mintex pads. And people say the Ferrados, like, they kind of squeak. You have to bed them in for longer. When they get quite hot, they do make a little bit of a noise. Whereas these, not much noise, stopping's there, everything's good. So yeah. Anyway, you guys, I hope you liked the video. It is a bit of a delay, but I'm trying to get the quality out there and take my time with it. Plus, it's cold right now. Can't feel my toes, can't feel my fingers. But yeah, please, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Peace.